Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. While browsing Pinterest, I came across these photos and thought I would recreate these for my 8-month baby photo shoot. First I bought metallic multicolored balloons and tying each balloon with a thread and all together as a group. Balloons part is done. Next I need a basket for the baby to sit in. For that I am using DIY Dobby bin. I already made separate shorts on this. If you want to check, please check it out in the DIY playlist. Basket part is also done. So this is how I tied the balloons with a basket, and I must say my baby enjoyed this photo shoot a lot. And if you also like this idea, do try this out at home and share it with your friends and family. If you like all my DIY ideas, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.